Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. So today we'll be talking about the step by step how you can go about the filling of your visiting visa application online. So what you need is this direct site, the official site to the Canada, the website to the Canada. So it is cic.gc.ca. So once you click on the cic.gc.ca, this is what will pop up on your screen. So you have to select your preferred language, either English or French. So I prefer English. So you come to menu, you click immigration and citizen, immigration and citizen, because we want to apply for visiting visa. So you click on visit, then you click on visa application. After that, you will click on apply. This is what will pop up on your screen. So none of the above. How do you want to apply online? So the next stage is apply for visitor visa. So they will ask you a little question here. What would you like to do today? Apply for a visitor visa for myself. If you are applying for someone else, you can click you are applying for someone else, or you are applying on behalf of someone. So far I'm applying for myself, so I'll click apply for a visitor visa for myself. Do you already have an application in process? No. So this is where you sign in or create an IGCC account. So this is where you pop up on your screen. So this is where you sign in. This is where you sign in. So if you are a first timer, so you have to sign up here. You have to create your account, your security question, and any other thing. So because I have account already, so I will click on sign in. Continue. So after that, this is what will show on your screen. So this is what you have to do. So start an application. So this is how you start your application, one by one. Applying for visitor visa, student, and work permit. So this is where you click visitor visa. So after that, this is what will pop up on your screen. So you have to answer some questions. I want to tell you something. Whatever anything you fill here will determine the kind of document you will request to submit. So let's go. What do you want to do in Canada? Visit. How long are you planning to stay in Canada? I'm staying in Canada less than 6 months. Select your, as in, if you are from Ghana, Namibia, Burundi, Belgium, Benin, Burkina Faso, but I'm from Nigeria. So let me click on Nigeria. your current country, territory of residence. So I stay in Nigeria also. I live in Nigeria. So if you are living in Benin, Togo, Burkina Faso, you put it. Do you have a family member who is a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident and is 18 or older? No. If you have someone there, you can click yes. So your date of birth. So let me put my date of birth. So you click next. Have you lived in Canada as a permanent resident? If you lived in Canada before, you can click yes. No. Like me, no. Are you a lawful permanent resident of the United States with a valid US citizen and immigration? If you are a US citizen or you have any permanent resident card, you can click yes. For me, no. What is your marriage status? So if you are single, married, whatever anything, you can click. Like me, let me see, married. I'm married. This is where you need to fill your province. Where are you going in Canada? Is it British Columbia? Is it Manitoba? So I'm going to Manitoba. Visitor visa under 6 months. You are enabled to apply for a visitor visa to travel to Canada. So you still continue. What is the main purpose of your visit? So you have to say, if you are visiting a friend or a family, but I'm going for a tourist. If you are going for a business, you can click a business interview to attend an interview as a part of your. You can click it, but I'm going for tourist. So, do you have a job in the country where you are currently living? If you are a jobless, you can click no. Do you own a business in the country you are living? If you own a business, you can click yes. Do you depend on someone for financial support? I don't know about you. I don't depend on anybody. No. Have you traveled to other country in the past 10 years? Like me, I've traveled to other country in the past 10 years. So I'll click yes. But if you don't have a travel history on your passport, please click no. In this place, they are asking, are you accompanying a family member that has status in Canada? So if you are going with someone that already have a Canadian visa or this thing, you can click yes. But for me, no. So in this place, they are asking if you have committed any motherfucking crime. So no, for me, no. Have you had a medical exam? Are people that are applying for the first time because you haven't given any biometry before and any exam to any doctor in the past 12 months? So you say no. Do you want to submit? They are asking. want to submit an application for a family member, if you are going with your family member, you can click yes, so you can submit application for them also. But for me, I'm going alone. No. Are you giving someone access to your application? If you are giving someone access to your application, you can say yes or no. So go through about it. For me, no. In the past 10 years, have you even given your fingerprint and photo biometric for an application to come to Canada? Like me, no. So there is a fee associated with this application. Will you be paying your fee, or I will be paying for my fee? So so are you able to make a digital copy of your document with a scan or a camera? So yes. Will you be paying your visa application fee online? Yes. So if you have anyone you want to correct, you can correct it. So you scroll down, continue. You scroll down, continue. So after the question, this is your checklist. This is your document checklist. So you have to provide all these documents and you will upload them one after the other. So after that, you will be able to pay your visa fee. So if you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me. I will be there for you.